We are going to witness the most anticipated match in the history of professional wrestling for the heavyweight championship of the world. Are you ready? Wrestling fans, are you ready?
How much is it? You work here? How much is it? 60. Thank you.
And the millions watching around the world. From the capital city of the United States of America, Washington, D.C. Ladies and gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Yes. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready. We're getting ready to give you guys an amazing show of this hard-ass concrete on Fremont Street Experience. If you guys are ready, stop and watch. Get your cameras out. Showtime is coming up.
How much do they go for?
Some of them are 35, some are 45. They're sold individually.
Okay, 35. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, on the count of 3, we got 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. I was gonna let you see. Thanks to those for the birthday girls, y'all. Here we go, fellas. Everybody straight in line. Let's get ready to do the grand finale. But we gotta warn you guys, we're not that good at this shit. In fact, we learned this last clip on YouTube yesterday. So hands by your side, head straight, nobody moves. So nobody moves, Nicholas, nobody gets hurt. No, you're safe. It's the guy on the end who has the power to deliver, man. That's right, sir. Look, I'm the one doing the flip, and I just want you to know, I'm short as hell, so please, sir, don't move. Let me get the grand finale. If you move, we may teabag you. That's right, fellas. Instead of being like a train, a big like this. That's what across your head. I'm just kidding, ladies and gentlemen. Take a good look at us, man. We're out here trying to do something positive, not negative. That's not easy to be. Come on. We don't like that. And we don't sell drugs. Not anymore. Please play, ladies and gentlemen. You can say that last night. Please fight. Turn your fist over. Hold it right now, okay? All right. This one, we're doing those three in Stacy's closed fists, invisibly, like this. Now, Stacy, I need the magic wand. For this to work, I give a little wave. Do you feel anything happening?
right, squeeze a little tighter. Watch this. Now if this worked right, when you open your hand, Stacy, you should have 4 again. Go ahead and show me. That's 4 right there. That's invisible. Now hold on, Stacy. Guys, look. We're about to move on to the bigger stuff, okay? For the bigger stuff, we need the magic stick. I'm gonna show you how this works. Stacy, I'll take this back. Thank you very much, Stacy. Thank you very much. All right, watch this. At first glance, it looks like a drumstick, right? If I drop it on the ground, it sounds like a drumstick. It's a magic stick. I'll show you how to do this.